This video is sponsored by Cometeer. We're gonna start this video with a story. I've been pretty vocal about having insomnia. I've had it for a better part of 10 years. And having a job that is in front of the camera isn't the easiest. Usually there are bags under my eyes. I mean, just look at this face in general. Does this face look well rested? So that's translated to I live and breathe by my morning coffee. So my wife and I have had the same coffee machine as a Breville machine for about 5 years, since before we moved into our house. 3 weeks ago, the grinder broke. So I'm gonna finish the story. There's a point to this whole long narrative. But I'm doing this for a while in videos. I just want to thank you guys for watching, for the support. Thanks, Cometeer, for working with me. We're gonna give away a $500 American Express gift card. All you gotta do is just leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite type of coffee is. Give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave your social handle in the comments so I can contact you if you win. All the information will be in the description, open to anybody in the world. We'll run it for 2 weeks. So I'd already been talking to Cometeer about maybe working together, but I hadn't agreed yet. And they sent me a few boxes to try early, and they were just literally chilling in my freezer. So I'll talk a little bit about what Cometeer is in a little bit, but it's coffee that's been flash frozen at its peak freshness. You boil some water, drop in one of the frozen capsules, and with seconds, it melts and you got a cup of joe. That's the basis of what it does. So back to my story. Without a working coffee machine, my wife and I just decided to try Cometeer. It was literally 6:30 in the morning. Our coffee machine didn't go off as scheduled. I had to get the kids to school in 30 minutes. I didn't have time to go to Starbucks, get a cup of coffee. And I had no other way to brew coffee. And making coffee from flash frozen capsules, in all fairness, sounded weird. My expectations were not that high. But again, I needed caffeine, and that was all I had, and these boxes were taking up very precious freezer space. Back to the story. All right, so after the coffee dropped in, I mixed it for a few seconds. What I had was not what I was expecting. This was legit really, really good coffee. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm not a coffee connoisseur. I just know it tastes good to me. My wife, however, is a coffee snob. I think she would admit it herself. She described it as tasting like the most delicious coffee at a restaurant. And I think that sums it up best. It is really good, like surprisingly good. Like if you buy it and you don't like it, you come back to this video and you tell me, and I will probably call you a liar. This coffee was that delicious. And what's kind of crazy about the whole thing, it's incredible coffee made the fastest way possible. I mean, boiling water, drop in the capsule, and within like 20 seconds, you've got an amazing cup. Put it side by side versus the best coffee you had, and I guarantee you will like this better. But that's my opinion, that's my wife's opinion. I decided to bring in Courtney, who's editing this video, who has legit never tried this before, and let him give it a shot and share his opinions. And I was not in the room when he filmed this, so he didn't feel like he had to say anything, you know, I was staring at him.
The smell is divine, I think is the word I want to use.
Try taking a sip.
I think it's probably too hot. I don't know, let's see. It's pretty good. I've had black coffee before and it typically tastes like cigarette water. This actually gives me like the flavor of coffee without the bitterness, you know? Yeah, typically black coffee just tastes like straight up cigarette ashes, but this tastes way better. It tastes good. It tastes good. I like it.
So what's the deal with flash frozen coffee, and like why is it better than it has any business being? And I guess it's all about how they make it. So they start with a full proprietary extraction system. This sounds very fancy, like you need a chemistry set in your house to do it. But essentially, it's gonna optimize all the variables that lead to a great coffee, so that all that like we have to do is just melt it and enjoy it. So in Next, they allegedly partnered with some of the best roasters in the world. I never really put much thought into the beans that went into the coffee, but evidently it makes a giant difference. I don't know about the best in the world, but Out of the 6 different boxes that I've tried, 5 of them were absolutely bonkers amazing, and one just wasn't my taste. They have a pretty cool extraction process, which I don't get. After all, I just want a good cup of coffee. But it did sound crazy scientific. This is what they say. Our proprietary technology allows flavor and aroma and compounds to be extracted with unprecedented precision. Cometeer coffee consequently achieves optimal and total dissolved solid count, aka amazing flavor and extraction levels. But basically, it's a level of brewing perfection that great baristas are aspiring to. And that's awesome. And quite frankly, I can't really argue with the results. All right, so that's the technical side of it. The tech part that was kind of cool, immediately after extraction, they give this thing a liquid nitrogen bath. It's gonna lock in pretty awesome freshness and flavor. And I know this process sounds super bizarre, but it's really good. And also, since Americans tend to love pod-based coffees, there are no grounds left in the capsule. They're completely aluminum and totally recyclable, which, as far as I know, is unique in the space. So after I agreed to do this video, they sent me a full kit with a kettle and one of the most fancy pants mugs I have ever seen. None of that is necessary, but it did make me feel very fancy and probably made me even enjoy the whole process even more. So if you decide you want to try this, and there's literally no reason for people who like coffee not to try this, they make the process really simple. Answer a few questions about what kind of coffee you like, and you're pretty much all set. For me, it was medium and I was done. If you have coffee in the morning, if you like to have coffee in the afternoon, if you like to have a latte, if you like to have iced coffee, this tastes delicious no matter what you do to it, and it's consistent and good every time. And I know it sounds nuts, and I know this is a sponsor video, you guys aren't gonna believe me. This coffee tastes incredible and amazing, and I wouldn't sit here and tell you that if I didn't believe it and I didn't actually enjoy it. So not only has Courtney now tried it, not only does my wife enjoy it, I gave it to my parents, I gave it to my mother-in-law. People come over and ask for coffee. This is my default thing that I give to them now. It is legitimately that good. So the prices vary. They start around $48, which boils down to $1.50 a cup, which is less than you would pay if you're going out to get it. And I guarantee you it will taste better. If you want to give it a shot, they're gonna give you $20 off your first order, which is awesome. Put the link down below, but it's cometeer.com/John Rettinger.